In today's video, I will teach you how to do a muted color effect in GIMP. Let's get started. Achieving a muted color effect in GIMP can add a subtle and sophisticated look to your images. Here are 3 methods that you can use to desaturate and mute the colors in your photos. The first method is using luminosity blend mode with desaturation. This is the simplest method for muting colors in your images. First, open your image in GIMP, then right-click on the layer in the Layers panel and select Duplicate Layer. With the duplicate layer selected, go to Colors, then Desaturate. Then choose one of the options, Lightness, Luminosity, or Average, and each option will give a slightly different desaturation effect. Now lower the opacity of the desaturation layer to your liking. This will blend the muted tones with the original layers beneath. The second method is layer blending modes. This method uses 2 desaturated layers with different blending modes to achieve a nuanced muted effect. First, duplicate your original color layer and desaturate it by going to Colors, then Desaturate with the luminosity option selected. Then change the blend mode of the desaturated layer to Multiply in the Colors panel. Then duplicate the Multiply layer and change the blend mode of the new layer to Screen. And the third method is Color Curves. This method uses color curves to fine-tune the muted effect. Duplicate your original color layer, then set the blend mode of the new layer to Color. With the new layer selected, go to Colors, then Curves. Then create an inverted S-curve on the value channel by dragging the curve's midpoint down and the highlights up slightly. This will desaturate the image. Now, duplicate the adjusted layer, then set the blend mode of the duplicate layer to Value. Then go to Colors, then Curves, then apply a slight regular S-curve to fine-tune the contrast. And for final adjustments, you can further adjust the layer opacity to get the exact muted effect that you desire. And you can also use layer masks to selectively apply the muted effect to parts of the image if needed. The amount of desaturation and specific look that you want can vary widely depending on the image and your artistic preference. Don't hesitate to experiment with different layer opacities and blend modes to find what works best for your image. By using these methods, you can create a beautiful muted color effect that enhances the mood and style of your images in GIMP. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.